The Amazing Digital Circus. What? No. More like the stupidest and shittiest crap house. Oh my god, this show is cliché. This show involves these stupid circus members who go on retarded adventures. Pomni is stupid. I bet if you ask her what's 9 plus 10, then she would say that it's 21. You can't tell that no one gives a shit about the rest of the characters. It's because they're not in this picture. The animation looks no! And do you know what's worse? This show came out on Netflix this year.
Well, duh!
I hope this show gets cancelled and gets removed from Netflix for good. I don't know who likes or hates this show, so I'm just gonna leave it be. So, screw the Amazing Digital Circus. And screw Skibidi Toilet. The Amazing World of Gumball is 743,186,421,725 times better than the Amazing Digital Circus. End of rant.
It's garbage!